50 kg of holiday tech. What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. Let's start the unboxing process. This is basically gonna be products to end the 2022 with. Another glorious keyboard that we will be building for somebody else. This is mine, Keychron Q1, blue one. Got the wrong keycaps sent to me, they're silver. I have a silver base also in Sweden. For a budget build, power supply from Corsair CV650 bronze 1000 watt. Just in case if we need another power supply for these 4000 series of cards. A big package from Webhallen. All these candies you see are from Inet. Once you buy something from there, you always get candies. So you can assume how much I have shopped for. G203, G305, cheap DDR5 RAM. I'm actually interested in this mouse, M600 special edition. They were hard to get and super cheap, ridiculously cheap. Final mouse from Tens. There's a new one also. I missed it. I might be able to pick it up if I make a couple of phone calls. Got a guy usually who can find me the rarest stuff always. Ducky mouse. That was for a laptop. Pink keyboard. We reviewed white one before and a black one also. Two of the white ones. They're from Del Taco. Pretty good keyboard, if I should be honest. 5800 X3D. 2 TB hard drive. Gator on switches V2. I think I need 2 more packages of these if I choose to go with those switches basically. Screwdriver. This is Inet's own mouse that I was actually curious to test. Docking station for Xbox controller. HyperX keyboard 60%. Iconic Strawberry Edition. White Corsair fans. Yes. This set is not gonna work with the blue one, that's for sure. A lot of products basically. SteelSeries Prime, another Prime, Mini, and of course organizing the shelf. I have basically 4 shelves so far. I think I'll have to expand into 10 shelves. Running out of space. You only see right now the mouse section that I'm gonna fill up with. Next above I have the keyboard section. Next to it the motherboards, processors, and dedicated area for graphic cards. Once I'm finished reviewing them, basically I'm just gonna sell them. Takes a little bit time organizing, and I was ill when I was doing this. Maybe you can tell from my voice as well. Other than that, doing really good, enjoying the holiday, that's for sure. How are you guys? Happy holidays, by the way. I try to respond to your comments as much as I can. As you see, mission is accomplished. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care of yourselves. Let's go. Like, share, sub.